Hey everyone, welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today we're diving into the exciting world of AI agents, specifically using a super cool framework called LangGraph. And trust me, if you're into AI, you need to know about this. LangGraph is changing the game, making it easier than ever to build seriously impressive AI agents. Now, some of you might recognize Andrew Ng, the AI guru himself. He's just launched a new course all about building these AI agents using LangGraph on his DeepLearning.AI platform. This course, aptly named AI Agents in LangGraph, is taught by none other than Harrison Chase, the CEO of LangChain, and Rotem Weiss, the CEO of Tavily. These guys are the real deal, and they're sharing their knowledge to help you master this powerful technology. So, what exactly is LangGraph? Imagine a visual blueprint for your AI agents. It's like this. Instead of writing tons of code, you use a graph to visually design how your agents interact and work together. This graph breaks down complex tasks into smaller, manageable chunks, making development so much smoother and faster. And get this, studies show that using LangGraph can cut your development time by a whopping 30%. That's huge. Imagine what you could achieve with that extra time. This graph-based approach is super intuitive, making it easy to understand, debug, and modify your AI agents without wanting to pull your hair out. Think about it this way. Traditional coding for AI agents can feel like navigating a maze blindfolded. LangGraph, on the other hand, gives you a clear roadmap, a bird's-eye view of your entire agent's workflow. It's all about clarity and control. Need an AI agent to whip up some financial reports? No problem. LangGraph has got your back. You can build an agent that pulls real-time stock prices, analyzes market trends, even summarizes the latest financial news, all within a sleek, user-friendly interface. We're talking next-level financial analysis, all thanks to LangGraph. But hey, it's not just about finance. LangGraph can power all kinds of AI agents, like those super helpful customer support chatbots. Imagine a bot that not only answers questions accurately, but also remembers your past interactions and personalizes its responses. With LangGraph, building these sophisticated chatbots is within reach. Ever wished for a personal travel agent at your fingertips? Well, with LangGraph, you can build one. Imagine a travel assistant chatbot that helps you book flights, find the perfect hotel deals, and even suggest personalized itineraries based on your preferences. That's the power of LangGraph, turning your AI dreams into reality. The best part? LangGraph doesn't discriminate. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting your AI journey, LangGraph makes the process accessible and even enjoyable. Forget about wrestling with complex code. LangGraph empowers you to build sophisticated AI agents with ease and confidence. And hey, we get it. Learning a new tool can feel daunting, but don't sweat it. There are tons of awesome resources available to help you master LangGraph. From beginner-friendly tutorials to in-depth documentation, you'll find all the guidance you need to get started and build something truly amazing. A great place to start is the official LangChain documentation. It's packed with information, examples, and even ready-to-use code snippets to get you up and running quickly. They've done a fantastic job making the documentation clear and easy to understand, even for newcomers. The possibilities with LangGraph are truly endless. We're talking about AI agents that can revolutionize healthcare, personalize education, even create immersive gaming experiences. The only limit is your imagination. So, let's unleash the power of AI together with LangGraph. Guys, I'm constantly striving to bring you the best AI content out there. Your support means the world to me. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share this video with your fellow AI enthusiasts. Let's build an awesome community where we can learn, grow, and create something incredible together. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of AI.